Alright, fridgemcchesthair here. Gonna, what the hell, marinate some chicken legs. You know, just putting this shit in there with some wing sauce. And, yep, I'll open this shit. Not really too prepared. That's how I roll, usually, you know. Just taking my wings, put them in some bowl, you know, there it is. Just a couple, you know. Alright. Put some wing sauce on there. Alright. Let that marinate. But, fridgemcchesthair, I'll stop with just wing sauce. That's probably not spicy whatsoever. So, my cousin gave me some scorpion peppers. Paid $16. He's like, don't waste it. So, now I gotta not waste it. Alright. Gotta throw some of these in there. And this weekend gonna grill. Take one of these. And smash it on there, sprinkle it, you know. Yeah. Had to get up early in the morning, so it's like 1:30 right now in the morning. So probably shouldn't be messing with this now. But I don't know. Whew. Oh. Oh man. Yeah. Smells a little. Smells a little hot there. Whew. Yeah. Well, here's a little one. I know I shouldn't do this, but Brian, I know you're like, oh, you should taste it. I would kind of feel like an ass, you know, not doing it. I didn't do it when I was by your house, and here it is. There's a ton of seeds in there. And, yeah, I guess we'll do it. Whew. Whew. Oh. Oh, yeah. Oh. Yeah. It was a little hot, but not too bad. You know, nothing compared to the Carolina Reaper or Ghost Pepper. I'm not sure how hot these are, but whew. Oh, yeah. Gets to ya. Oh. Oh yeah. Oh. Look at that burning out. Oh man. Whew. Oh. Oh, not the best idea. Whew. And marinate this chicken though. Holy shit, my ear hurts almost. Man. Oh. Yeah. I don't know. Yep. Well, this weekend I'm gonna make this chicken. Probably make another video. I know I've been slacking. Well, been slacking a lot. Haven't been doing much. Oh, man. This is all I got to drink. My whole fridge. That's what I'm going for. Yep. Alright. Well, I guess to keep you guys updated. Oh, man. Oh, it's terrible. Maybe water. Real nice. Warm water. Nose running. That sucks. Alright. I don't really got too much. Keep you guys updated. You know, I know I've been slacking. Any more ideas? Oh. I don't know how to keep this funny and entertaining, because this shit sucks. Ain't getting any better. There's got to be a seed in the back of my mouth because it just keeps burning over there. Alright. Well, here you get back to marinating this. Yep. Alright. fridgemcchesthair says subscribe. Good deal. If I make it, this will be on, this will be on, you know, that's why you're watching it. Holy crap. Alright. Thanks a lot. See ya.